Hi, it's really a challenge to find the best products that can be deserving of your hard-earned money. It may be easier when you have a reliable source like our channel. Actually, our team reviewed a lot of products, analyzed endless reviews from the actual users, and made our rankings based on many factors, such as price, quality, durability, performance, and the reputation of the manufacturer. If you choose from this list, you can be sure that you're buying one of the best products. You can see their latest prices and find out more information about these products by using the links below in the description. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Are you looking for the best card tool in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best card tool. Starting at number 5, we have the Smart RSQ Silver Edition 37-in-1 card tool. Here's a great card multi-tool set that won't hurt your budget but will impress your gift-receiving friends. Made from 316, high-quality stainless steel, Smart RSQ Silver Edition 37-in-1 card tool is durable and strong, yet lightweight and compact. This credit card multi-tool includes an eyeglass screwdriver, a nail file, a letter opener, a cable bender, 9 wrenches, a knife blade, a nail puller, 5 flathead screwdrivers, a seatbelt cutter, 2 fruit and vegetable peelers, a box opener, a ruler, a smartphone stand slot, a 2D Phillips head screwdriver, a lanyard and keyring hole, a bottle opener, a cable peeler, a right triangle, a saw blade, a semicircle template, and a can opener. Designed and tested by military forces, hikers, bikers, contractors, sailors, and guides, these multi-tools include the features you need to repair, separate, or assemble just about anything. Add the money clip to keep your multi-tool secure while still carrying cash. Moving on at number 4, we have the LeverGear Pro 40-in-1 card tool. This is a card tool for grown-ups and simplistic, high-quality aesthetic lovers. All of the graphics are laser-etched on the LeverGear Tool Card Pro, so your measurements won't fade away over time. LeverGear Pro 40-in-1 card tool is lightweight yet tough as they come since it's manufactured in America with heat-treated 420 stainless steel. Features on the Tool Card Pro include a box opener, a flat credit card bottle opener, open and closed-ended wrenches, 4 screwdrivers, a V-shaped pry bar, a protected, inset cord cutter, to save your hands and wallet from damage, measuring and drafting tools like rulers, and can opener. You can add the optional money clip if you want to go ultra light and double your multi-tool as your cash carrier. Since this card tool doesn't sport a sharp, unprotected edge or pointed corners, TSA agents will gladly wave you through to your flight with the Tool Card Pro in hand. Choose from silver or tactical black and impress everyone with your on-hand EDC pocket tool. At number 3, we have the PGXT 11-in-1 survival card tool. We're proud to say that PGXT 11-in-1 survival card tool is one of the best budget deals on our list, and all your Christmas gifts are taken care of now. This set includes 10 11-in-1 multi-tool cards and 10 faux leather sleeves to protect your pockets, your wallet, and your tools. At this price, that's less than $1 per multi-tool. Each card tool includes a can opener, a serrated blade edge, a flathead screwdriver, a ruler, a bottle opener, a 4-position wrench, a butterfly screw wrench, a flat knife edge, a direction ancillary indication, known as a water compass, a 2-position wrench, and a keychain or lanyard hole. The card tool is constructed from 420, high-grade stainless steel for rust-proof, durable, and strong capabilities. Tuck this handy helper in your back pocket and trust that it will save you when you need it next. Even better, gift one to your coworkers, friends, significant other, or at your next white elephant party. At number 2, we have the Smart RSQ Black Edition 37-in-1 card tool. Smart RSQ Black Edition 37-in-1 card tool gift set includes all the tools to get you out of sticky situations. A multi-tool wallet card, whistle, money clip, fire starter, and a carabiner fill out this set, along with a sleeve cover to protect your wallet and fingers from sharp blades. The card tool includes 4 screwdrivers, 1 on each corner, 2 rulers, a nail file, 5 wrenches, a can opener, a fruit peeler, a serrated saw blade, a bottle opener, a right triangle, 4 hex screws, a knife edge, a phone stand card slot, a nail puller, a cable bender and peeler, a lanyard hole, and a letter box opener. This set is the perfect combination for hikers, sailors, hunters, handymen, and prepared individuals to have on them at all times. Attach the whistle and fire starter to your keys for extra convenience, and slide the multi-tool and sleeve right into your pocket next to your money clip. At such a budget price for an extensive set, we don't know why you don't have this already. And finally at number 1. We have the Wallet Ninja 18-in-1 card tool. You need a multi-tool that you can take with you everywhere, to work, to the baseball game, out on the boat, and even through airport security. You've found it with the Wallet Ninja 18-in-1 card tool. This card multi-tool, which is just barely longer than a traditional credit card but still fits in a wallet's credit card slot, is made from 4 times heated treated steel to be strong, durable, rust-proof, and consistently sharp. The Wallet Ninja includes 18 tools in its 1 card size. These tool features include 6 hex wrenches, a can opener, a fruit peeler, a bottle opener, a ruler, which includes both standard and metric measurements, a letter opener, a box opener, a phone stand, an eyeglasses size screwdriver, Phillips head screwdriver, and a flat head screwdriver. Each corner of the card features a different screwdriver to fit your task at hand. What we really love is the phone stand. Simply slide one of your credit cards into the slot located near the bottom of the multi-tool. You want enough of the credit card to slip through to support the base width of your phone. The multi-tool and credit card then support themselves from the weight of your phone against the angle of their joint, and voila! You have an on-the-go phone holder. The Wallet Ninja is the definition of a can't-leave-at-home tool. Thank you for watching guys, I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make a sure like, comment, subscribe.